grand. Okay. Like me, care for you. We broke the kiss. Did you eat a fizz candy? What happened?
El cielo se cae, hijo chicken little. El gato.
Man, you on the playground? No! No, this cat is a nut. Hey! Ah! What are you doing?
Oh, Jesus.
Hello? What is that stench? You have any idea what's... hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you. No!
I have two sides.
I don't even have to spray it and already look at her. Now watch. Like, why? Why does she act like that? She's not.
So good and tasty.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended.
Bringing some stuff out to the garage, looked in the trash can, and it's like, hey, that ain't no hat. Hey, what's up, little buddy? How you doing, bud?
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh?
Excuse me, what the actual
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, do you know how to get to Walmart from here?
Hell yeah, hon. Get your tits out.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia.
We cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama.
Tú no la tienes. Tú no la tienes. No.
The dangers of chicken raising.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
I've got my belly up, bro.
What? What the f***'s the cat done to the bed? Look, bro, come and have a look. Let's took a chunk out of it. What's it at?
Hellfire. Is it in there?
There he is. What the hey! Get out!
Ven, mira. Mira. ¿Quién es?
Oh.
Having black cats be like.
Oh, my baby. What the
Hey guys, you wanna go scaring?
Defeated by child locks. Try as you might, you will never get into my cabinets again.
Beyonce!
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Oh my god.
He's like, I catch vermin and I look cute.
He does not catch jack shit. You do not.
No.
I love you very much. You come to sleep with me. You're my friend.
Milo.
You get over here right now. I'm gonna kiss your face. You know me.
Hi. Wanna say hi?
Don't run! Murife! Murife, don't run! Hey! Murife, don't run! Murife, don't run! Hey!
Hello, greetings. Donuts, this should help.
No, please! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Job? What job? Job? I'm a slave.
Okay, from this point forward, we are silent. Not quiet. Silent.
It is cute.
Dracarys.
Tsurima.
That a pig?
Is that your pig? Ooh. Oh, like that. What?
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me with my taxes?
I know I sound like a broken record to y'all, but why don't y'all have one of these? What is the excuse? Fred, what? I don't get it.
cojones está pasando, tío? ¿Qué?
I left this little alone for 5 minutes. Look at you, you guilty son of a bitch. That's my chicken. Oh, you're gonna shit yourself, and I swear to God, if you get butt squirts on the carpet, oh, it's your.
Yo, I'm kind of hungry. Do you guys have snacks?
Too busy lecturing Jared about why he's wrong, so I didn't notice Mr. Man was licking the cheese. You can see all of the texture. Get out of here. You've had plenty.
John, maybe you should go up there.
I was just gonna start off.
No, she's gonna sign. Oh!
And we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
My beard, you poopy girl. You need a bath. Yourself.
Hey! Hey!
Doing? Hey, stop. Thank you.
Aku ni bukan apa, tapi cumi.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome you on the board of our aircraft. We will travel
This thought of getting go this. Meow, 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 meow.
Да, просто... Да. Да, сигареты.
Hi. See, he says hello. Oh, watch out. What? Oh shit!
Where you going, girl? Girl, where you going, girl?
Bro, get off the pizza! Oh my god.
Good girl. Come on, Stinky. Come on, I know you're hungry. You want some food? You want a cookie? Yeah? Oh, you're gonna hurt yourself. Come on.
Dude, I might legitimately have to wake him up and get him out of bed because I can't even go to work right now with this happening.
Food, of course. What's your favorite food?
Children.
Who's buying this?
That would be my big fat ass.
I'm not gonna say it again. Stop chewing on my goddamn towel. I'm running out of shit because you keep breaking shit. I had to give the goddamn plant a haircut.
See what color she wants.
Have you seen my phone? Is it over here? Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I can call it if you want.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Fine. Make me your villain.
Foo-foo. All right, Yellow, your turn. Ready?
So, someone helped themselves to my hot chocolate. Do you know who did it?
You're in my pile. You are in my pile. No! Hello. Benjamin, your friend is here. Come on.
My cat is in air jail. She won't stop scratching me. I don't care. I don't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not letting go.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel violated!
I'm okay, I promise. I'm okay. He's trying to pull me out.
Bean attack.
Beans! 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 Beans!
seriously walking on spikes to get to her?
No, you can't have bacon. No, no bacon. No. Stop trying to go. No.
I think I'll do a wraparound.
Oh, it's windy.
Nice to meet you. My name's Warren.
Yeah, let me get 2 quick pics in the.
Donnell, that's you.
Hello, everyone. I'm home. Oh, hi.
Frank, where are you sitting?
I'm gonna give you my week's notice.
Did you sit right on my painting I just did? Frank. Buddy.
Go back. Here.
Okay, but I need to do a call. You have to go.
Step back, Sniffer, come on. Kitties, come on.
I'm coming, Mom. Ouch. You saw nothing.
Oh, don't. Oh. You okay, Greg?